everyone, it's Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Google search bar on your Android phone. So you can see I have one down here, and if for whatever reason you delete that, you can just hold down on the empty space and then we can go to widget. So let's go to widget right here, and then we can go through the different widgets and we can find a an option for Google. So let's go on over to browse and we can find the Google search bar. So here's Google. They have 3 different widgets on here. We can choose the search bar and we can go to add. So that's one way we can actually get in on here, and then we can move this to different slides and stuff. So you can see I have a permanent one there down at the bottom, and I believe I can just get rid of this here too. How do I get rid of it? Let's go to remove. So we can go back to here and we can try home settings, and we can go to add app icons to home screen, swipe, overview, suggestions. So you can just go in here and look at additional options as well. Search settings, web search. Can we turn this off? No. So yeah, you can just go in here and just see if there's anything you would like to change around. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.